Hi, I'm Gabby.
And I'm Shanna.
And we are
27 Travels. And today we're gonna do a packing video for you that's inspired by Marie Kondo's Konmari method.
So we watched the show on Netflix called Tidying Up with Marie Kondo, and it was really awesome, and we thought we could apply some of the methods to packing your suitcase.
But we obviously, while watching the show, did that method to our clothes that we have in our apartment, but we thought it would be cool to apply it to our suitcase while traveling. So we kind of like took it upon ourselves, like used some of her methods to pack our suitcase while traveling, and hopefully it works out. Rascal, how you feeling, buddy?
I think he's a little sad.
Rasky, do you not want us to go? So Gabby and I laid out all of our clothes here that we're gonna pack in our carry-on suitcase for our 2-week trip to the Philippines. This half is Gabby's. This half is mine, not Rascal. He can't come, sadly. You're not an adventure cat yet, buddy. Soon. So we're gonna fit all of this stuff into our suitcases.
As Marie Kondo says, it's important to pack clothes that spark joy for you. When you're traveling, you only have a small selection of clothes to pick from, and you feel so much better when you love everything in your suitcase.
You definitely don't need a packing cube to travel, but we love using them because they keep our clothes super organized. It's also neater to put dirty items back into the packing cube rather than just leaving them thrown about in your bag.
So we're gonna use KonMari like inspiration to fold the shirt, because I'm not sure if this is like exactly how you're supposed to do it, but basically all you really need to do is you just need the shirt to stand up vertically so that you can see all the other shirts lined up next to it when it's like either in your suitcase or in a packing cube. So what I do is I fold the shirt in half like this, and then I fold it in half again like this, and then I fold it in half again like this, and then the next time that I fold it in half, it will stand up vertically straight like that. So see, it like fits perfectly right there, and then you could see all the other shirts lined up like this.
Ooh, well packed.
We used Marie Kondo's KonMari style to fold up all of our shirts and rompers and then put that inside of a packing cube. So we're like double organized here. So this is my favorite packing cube. It's from Muji, and I love it because it has 2 sections. So here, this section is where my clothes are, but also has this other section here, which is where I put all my dirty clothes when they're dirty. And it folds up super small, and this one's my favorite one. I love it so much.
Everyone, this is how you feel when you KonMari pack your bag, ready to go to sleep, relaxed, zen, rejuvenated, organized. So to make these shorts stand vertically, we fold it in half, and then we fold this part in thirds. So 1, 2, 3, and then stands up just like that.
Okay, so these pants I'm gonna wear on the plane, but when I'm not wearing them on the plane, I'm obviously gonna have them with me on the trip, so I'm gonna need to put them back into my suitcase and our packing cube. So the way that you fold pants is you fold them in half this way, so they're long ways, and then you fold them in half again that way. Now from here you would fold it into thirds, so 1, 2, 3, so like a little square, and then they just stand up like so. So mine and Gabby's suitcase has this like little section that can be zippered off right over here. So we like to put our shoes in that section because then they don't get like the rest of our stuff dirty. So I just literally take my shoes, I only have these 3 pairs, and I just put them in like that. And then I have all this other section right here for like other stuff that you might need. So then I put one packing cube this way, another packing cube this way. These are both the ones that we packed already with like the shirts and the pants. This is just like underwear and socks, which I think I'm gonna put like on this side maybe, because I think it will fit there nicely. And then I still have to do like toiletries and accessories and stuff, but as you can see, I have like tons of room over there.
So thanks for watching our video. We hope you liked watching us pack KonMari style and hope that it was a little helpful to you. And if you try this yourself, comment and let us know, and we'd love to know if it helped you out.
So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We do travel videos like travel vlogs, travel tips, travel montages, like anything travel related. And if you didn't already know, we are a lesbian travel couple. We travel as often as we can, whenever we can, wherever is cheap,
Anywhere.
at the moment. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you don't already, follow us on Instagram, and we'll link all of our like packing cubes and anything else that we talked about in this video down in the description box. And like Gabby said, make sure you comment and let us know if you thought this video was helpful or if you would ever try packing KonMari style. Bye!
See ya!
Peace! So if you haven't already, make sure you're subscribed to our channel. If you didn't already know, we are a lesbian travel couple, so we are dating. Yes, we're dating.
That's the weirdest thing that's ever happened. That was weird. I felt like you just come out to your parents.